In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a VPS in Hostinger. If you're looking to launch a virtual private server for hosting, development, testing, or running your own applications, this setup process is quite straightforward. I'll walk you through it in a clear and simple way so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open your Hostinger account and sign in to your dashboard. Once you're inside, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. On the left-hand panel, you'll see the main navigation menu where the available services and tools are listed. From that left panel, click on VPS. This will take you to the VPS management area, where you can view your available plans and begin the setup process. Once you're there, click on Set up VPS to start configuring your server. The first thing you'll usually need to choose is the server location. This is important because the location can affect performance and latency. In general, you'll want to select the region closest to the users or audience you expect to serve. After choosing the location that best fits your needs, click Next to continue. After that, you'll be asked to select which operating system you want to install on the VPS. This step matters because the operating system determines the environment your server will run on. Choose the option that matches your project requirements or your comfort level. Once you've decided, click on the operating system, then click Select to confirm your choice. Next, the platform will let you create a password for the server. Make sure you create a strong password that is secure but still something you can store safely and access when needed. A good password is especially important here because it helps protect your server from unauthorized access. If possible, save it in a secure password manager so you don't lose it later. After that, you may see options to add additional features. At this stage, simply follow the prompts shown on your screen. These options can vary depending on the plan or setup type, so just review each prompt carefully and continue with the recommended selections based on your needs. That's the basic process for setting up a VPS in Hostinger. The key is to move through each screen carefully, confirm your choices before continuing, and make sure your operating system, location and password are all set the way you want. Once everything is completed, your VPS will begin preparing, and you'll be one step closer to getting your server up and running.